Welcome back to Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back. All right, everyone, I am popping on to share with you guys today a few projects that I plan on completing over the next couple of weeks, so I won't be on long. Hopefully, you'll have the opportunity to grab some of these supplies so that you can craft along with your host, Fam the Fabulous. All right, so without further ado, and I'm not doing these in the order that I plan on creating or working on these, but these are the three projects that are on my list. First up are the wooden frames that I purchased from Dollar General. The picture size is about 5 by 7. It looks like pressed wood, and it's by Art Skills. I think they ran between $1 and $1.99 or $1 each or $2 each. Either way, I've got 2 of them, and I plan to use these to create some wall art for my son's room, the mayor's office, which, by the way, is the name of his channel. So if you want to pop over there and give him a quick like or so, he would greatly appreciate it. And these letters I think I picked up from Walmart. It could have been Hobby Lobby or Dollar General. I don't know, but it's been a while since I purchased them, so hopefully I can incorporate them into the red, white, and blue theme that he has going on there. The next project is the tea pockets. Now, this particular one is only one, it only has one pocket, but the one that I plan on doing on camera will have 2 pockets, so it will require 12 by 12 paper, cardstock I should say. It can be double-sided, it can be solid color, it can be one-sided, but it just needs to be cardstock, and you'll be able to get 3 pockets out of one sheet. You also will want a pattern paper to go on top, or coordinating paper to go on top, like you see here. I don't plan on doing this dark color. This was done for a male. This was made with a male in mind. Anyways, and then you'll also want some ribbon and some embellishments. That part is up to you in terms of how you decorate it, but that'll get you going. So you'll be able to get 3 out of one sheet of 12 by 12 paper. Last up is the altered Bibles. So these Bibles I picked up from Dollar Tree. They're $1 each. It's a faux leather finish, so it works really well with the glue gun and glue sticks. You can use any type of glue that will hold to paper. This is the last one that I made from a batch of 10. Now, I was asked to do this by a viewer who saw my original video from a couple years back where I had the altered Bible challenge in response to Michelle Pipeling's challenge on her Ribbons, Roses, and Lace channel on YouTube. And so while I'm sure she's still crafting and actively crafting, her channel is no longer active. But I am more than happy to show that viewer, so if you're watching, this is for you, and anyone else who wants to join along with us in creating these Bibles. Michelle's challenge was to create as many altered Bibles as you could and hand them out to total strangers during the Easter and Lent season. And so I participated in it, and then I think what she did was however many Bibles you you created and gave out was an additional entry into her giveaway. And so I'm not sure if I'm going to do a challenge, but I definitely know that I'm going to do a video where I do show you how I covered it. So what you'll need for that, obviously, is the Bible, some type of element focal point. I pierced this, or I used the hole punch so that I could use brads as closures for the closures. And then this is just a simple sleeve off of a t-shirt that I was getting ready to throw away, but waste not, want not. You don't need to go out to the store to get fabric. You have something lying around your home, trust me. But you do need to go to the Dollar General to get the Bibles. So all that being said, if you are new to the channel and you want to participate and you want to know when I'm going to get these done, and you know, so you can follow along, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be notified when that video is uploaded. And if you are a current subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like if you did like this video or if you like the projects that are being featured. And as always, you know how I close it out. Stay encouraged, blessed, creative, and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.